why might encountering negative reactions to a disclosure of sexual assault increase a survivor's intention to seek formal help for that assault? Wouldn't you think that being told your sexual assault was your own fault decreased your likelihood to then go tell other people what happened to you? A growing body of research is finding that no, that's not necessarily the case. We know that only approximately 2/3 of survivors tell someone what happened to them. We also know that even less actually seek formal help for their assault. Even though research shows that seeking help from professionals can help mitigate the profoundly negative effects of a sexual assault on survivors, relatively few engage in seeking formal help. In order to further examine the factors that affect a survivor's intention to seek formal help, we employed the use of the theory of planned behavior, which is widely used for studying general psychological help seeking, but has rarely been used with this specific population. This theory states that three core components: attitudes towards seeking help, perceived subjective social norms around seeking help, and perceived behavioral control of seeking help influence an individual's intention to seek help, which is often the best predictor of actual help seeking. We also examined how negative reactions to a disclosure of sexual assault, specifically those that are blaming or stigmatizing, influence those core theory of planned behavior components. In doing this, we are able to get a broad picture of how experiencing such negative reactions impact a survivor's intention to then seek help. Our analysis of survey data from actual sexual assault survivors found that each of the core components of the theory of planned behavior are positively and significantly associated with intention to seek help. This information is valuable in determining what factors are worthy targets of post-assault intervention efforts, focusing on engaging survivors in formal services. However, our most interesting finding is that the stronger the negative reaction survivors receive after disclosing their assault is actually associated with more positive attitudes related towards seeking help for that assault, even after we controlled for distress. How could that be? Well, it could mean that survivors are seeking formal help over time rather than immediately post-assault, as we had a large portion of our sample report being assaulted 10 plus years ago. Additionally, previous research has found that such types of negative social reactions are associated with higher levels of negative thinking and behavior, such as social withdrawal and self-blame, which could be leading survivors to seek help down the line. It could also be due to our sample, which has a high percentage of survivors who identify as part of the LGBTQ+ community and who often see higher formal help seeking rates. More research is needed to determine the exact cause of this effect. Regardless, these results further inform researchers, programmers, and clinicians what factors they could be targeting in their post-assault intervention efforts. Thank you for your time.